In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add border radius in Figma. Let's start inside your Figma file. Make sure you're in the Design tab on the right-hand sidebar so you can see all the properties for whatever you select. If you're working in a team file or a personal draft, it all works the same for shapes, frames, and components. Next, select the shape you want to round. You can click it directly on the canvas or choose it from the Layers panel on the left if it's tucked under other layers. Border radius works great on rectangles, frames, and components, and it also applies to vector paths that have corner points. If you select something like a line or an ellipse, you won't see the radius option, so make sure you've got a shape that supports corners. If the shape is part of a component instance and editing is restricted, you may need to select the main component or detach the instance first. With your shape selected, look to the right-hand sidebar for corner radius. You'll see a single input field that controls all four corners together. This value is in pixels, and it's constrained so it can't exceed half of the shape's shortest side. That means if you push it high enough, Figma will automatically give you a perfect pill or fully rounded rectangle. If you prefer visual control, hover over the shape and drag the small circular corner handles on the canvas. That updates the same setting. If you need different values per corner, click the independent corners icon next to the field to reveal 4 inputs for top left, top right, and bottom left. This is perfect for cards, tooltips, or menus where only certain corners should be rounded. You can type numbers, use your arrow keys for precise changes, and hold shift with the arrows to adjust by tens. Decimals are allowed if you want ultra subtle rounding. For a quick pill button look, set the radius to half the height of the button. For consistent design across multiple elements, copy the shape's properties and paste them onto others, or update the components so every instance inherits the same radius. As you tweak, keep an eye on how the radius affects layout and mask boundaries. Large radii can change the feel of shadows and strokes. If your stroke is inside, outside, or centered, the visual result can differ slightly. If the corners aren't changing, double check that you've selected the actual shape layer and not a group. And remember, you can always undo and refine until it looks just right. That's it. Clean, rounded corners in Figma, exactly where you need them.